Hey, have you ever wondered how your skin magically heals and regenerates whenever you get a cut? Like, we keep getting cuts, scratches, and bites, yet somehow our skin always manages to heal and regenerate fully, don't we? But have you ever wondered how this incredible process actually works? Well, that's what we're going to find out today. From uncovering the surprising role of platelets in wound healing to debunking common myths about scars, we're going to explore it all in this episode of Fun Science Facts. So let's dive right in and uncover the secrets of skin regeneration after a cut. When you get a cut, the first thing that happens is bleeding. And you might be wondering, why does the blood come out of the cut red? Well, it's because of something called hemoglobin, which is a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout your body. Hemoglobin is red, so when it comes out of your cut, it looks red too. Next up, your body sends out an SOS call to the wound area, summoning platelets and white blood cells to help stop the bleeding and protect you from infection. Platelets are small, irregular-shaped cells that are part of your blood. They rush to the site of the cut and release chemicals that help form a clot. This clot is like a band-aid that stops the bleeding and keeps you from losing too much blood. White blood cells, on the other hand, fight off any bacteria or other germs that might have gotten into the cut. These tiny cells work together to keep you healthy and germ-free. Once the bleeding is stopped and the area is clean, it's time for the real healing to begin. Your body starts to repair the damage by growing new skin cells. These cells come from the deepest layer of your skin, called the dermis. As the new skin cells grow, they move up through the epidermis, the top layer of your skin, eventually replacing the damaged skin. It's like a well-coordinated dance where each cell knows its part and does it perfectly, but there's more going on under the surface. As the new skin grows, it also produces collagen, a strong, flexible protein that helps hold your skin together. Collagen is like the scaffolding that holds up a building, providing support and structure to the new skin. The body also produces elastin, a protein that gives your skin its elasticity. This allows your skin to bounce back after being stretched or torn. Now let's talk about scars. Many people believe that scars are just a sign of damage and that they can't be prevented. But did you know that everyone has scars? Even you? They're not always visible, but they're there. And no, we're not talking about those cute little dimples. Those are just special little dents in your skin that make you look adorable. Scars happen when your body tries to heal a wound, but they're not always perfect. Sometimes the scar tissue forms in a raised area that looks different from the surrounding skin. This is called a hypertrophic scar. While these scars are usually harmless, they can be a bit of a cosmetic concern for some folks. But did you know that your body makes the decision on where and when to form these scars? That's right, your body has a natural mechanism for choosing the best spot for your scars, and it all has to do with the orientation of your collagen fibers. When your skin is cut, the collagen fibers in your dermis, the second layer of your skin, get all twisted up. Your body works hard to untangle these fibers and realign them along the lines of tension. This helps to minimize the appearance of scars, but sometimes the fibers end up forming a tangled mess, leading to raised scars. So if you have a friend who's worried about their scars, just remind them that they're not alone. Everyone has them. And in the end, it's just a sign that your body is amazing and capable of healing itself. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible process of skin regeneration after a cut. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more fun science facts. Until next time, stay curious, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the world around you. Who knows? You might just discover something amazing.